This is another watch from Panzera. This is the Time Master 42, the racing watch. As you can see, beautiful watch, fantastic watch, really nice, very sporty, very casual. It is an homage to motorsports racing, as you can see also from the strap. Very solid, nice sections, very nice design, midnight black dial, and it's an automatic watch. Very nice timepiece. I really enjoy a lot wearing this watch. And the Panzera just makes really beautiful watches. I invite you to go and check their websites to see also the other models. On this channel there is also the aquamarine that I also have, which is a little bit Panzera style, so you can go and check it out if you want. As you may know, Panzera company is an Australian company, has almost 10 years of history. They started like a startup and they really went a long way during those 10 years. Their products are really very well made. And I got my two watches almost 5 months ago, and I took advantage, of course, of a very nice discount, because as you can see, this the real price of this watch is around 450 euros, okay, and I got it for 275 euros. So what can I say? I really invite you to go and check their websites and see also the other models, because they are really beautiful. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.